Did you know the complexity of sipping a cup of coffee escalates when you're in the vast expanse of space? Astronauts often resort to drinking coffee from bags, as, in a weightless environment, a regular cup doesn't quite cut it. Some might suggest foregoing the caffeinated delight on space missions, but astronauts beg to differ. To counter this challenge, Portland State University has been hard at work, devising a solution as unique as the problem itself. They've engineered a special kind of cup using three-dimensional printing technology. This space-friendly coffee cup comes with a hefty price tag though, around $500. Now that's some expensive sip.